你讲这个什么转给有一个 missing 的那个款式，长短是那个 break 它没有什么
OK， 好，我们这边闻的感觉。OK， 好，来，我们这边闻的感觉。哇，很像麦风里面。OK， 好。
Tak, ke dia?
We are using the fire to drive away the water from the wood. Until the water is dry in the wood, they are the charcoal. And the charcoal is whole piece, no. Black one, no. Not like this, broken up, no. Alright? But it takes 24 days. 24 days of hitting it, of the heat, hitting the water away until it is dry, then they are the charcoal. When it is becoming charcoal, we still have to leave the charcoal in the kiln for cooling another 8 days. So all added together, 32 days to see this charcoal. We can use also rubber wood and also use the plank, the timber. But because we are the contractor with the forestry, we have only to use the mangrove trees. Alright? Yes, very good questions, sir. To make you more understanding, please come here. Harvest the tree. Alright, this mangrove tree is very heavy wood. Come and have a look at it. It's very heavy. You cannot carry it. It's very heavy. Yes, young man, can you lift it up and see? Oh, very heavy. Yes, sir. Where are you from, sir?
KL. Well, American, but living.
We are letting it cool down. At least 8 days. Today is only about Thursday, so you're still very hot. Come and touch and see. Okay, it's still warm. Isn't it? Here, sir.
Oh.
Not there. Okay, yeah. You see? It's still hot. It's still warm. That means let us go and see how the fire heat up the wood to become charcoal. Hey, Xiaoxin. Okay. End of the month, so they just simply put joystick there for peace, for safety, for smooth running of the factory, like that, huh? So let us go and have a look at the fire. there is only one door. This is the door. There is only one door here. Alright? In this door, inside this door, already standing 1,500 pieces of wood, all standing there. So we close the door, we paste the clay, and we start the fire there. But the fire is only outside, it's not inside. As it is burning, it has a heat. The heat, hot air rises, and it takes away the water until it becomes steam. Come and have a look at it. Okay. Steam, all right? But it's no charcoal, and no more pungent smell, has a charcoal smell. No more steam, nothing, all right? But the heat, so that means it has turned into charcoal. Quickly we close it by using these bricks. We close it, clay it, using the clay to cover it. But inside it's very hot because the temperature comes to 240 degrees. And we have to leave it there for another 8 days of cooling, as what you saw. Inside the kiln, just now we put about 1,500 pieces of wood, about 50 tons. The charcoal that comes out left only 10 tons. Why? Because of the water, we collect it, and it's known as the wood vinegar. If your hands has mosquitoes bite you, just spray. Yes, look at that, okay? And if your your hands, your legs smelly after wearing the shoe for a long time, spray because of fungi. And COVID-19, spray. Lizard coming, spray. Mosquitoes and all these rats and all these ants, spray. At night when you're walking, somebody want to catch you, spray.
Spray to the eyes.
Yeah, spray on the eyes, correct, very good. Understand?